Hello, Jason Tori kan lo lom le vek chawa.
Hey guys, welcome back to Jess and Tori. We got a good show for you today.
Hey kan huang hyang kan ule ka pa jang khare ken run sim phya kan wi te ne wi lo an run shrai boka hun nom tak kam mang tura ngai la kan lo clear house la ngai lo enjoy po kan ringa kan vlog lo chan hi kan wi khas garleti kha borala chuwangin vlog po kha tu yom lo le ke ma na ka lo boy nen tu na kan vlog le no a lo enjoy vek ro kan hun man dan te lo clear house lang o Papa, hey, a birthday shot there.
Hey, I love you too. Good day, huh?
Mom, you look so cute.
Drive much better.
Yeah.
There was road construction, but not deadly.
Look at Willow. Here, Papa. We can bring something in now, or
There's lots of stuff to bring in.
Willow. Hey, kanuten a tour te. All the food, hey, we don't get a parcel.
The back seats are full too.
Wow.
Probably a lot of.
Come on, hey. Usang a poron swag in Condon.
Yes, good to see you. Good to see you.
Yeah, all of it.
She brought cookies. Oh.
Hey, Nana in cookie.
Good morning.
Good morning. That's our little rat.
Oh, it's cute.
Hey.
She's shy.
Maybe she'll enjoy walking around outside here. Hey, let's go a vacation. Makan parcel ko order hey kan company chang tun kan dong ve chon dong har khop me. Nya. Hey. Kan nu hwan mi usang en ro hey. Usang hey cookie sen bait nga la ko. Badaro. Kan nu na ron hon ve chen ha pakhat ha. Ui, this one's my favorite. Kanu teron sin chuan hlok thei to. Ui, pom lo kan ni. Ui, banana bread. Ko beng ching tok ngoro lo kun. Ui, en lawala muem. Ui kan chili bongsa. Ui ko bongsa. Ui. Hey, lag zawat cho tur here. Wow, hey, let's go pasta, lasagna, for chak and dale. Loban church. Let me pour coffee for mom and papa.
I also made banana bread.
Banana bread, yeah. Hey, hit it. Oh, look at the chili.
Breakfast
Chili.
is my phone.
This for papa.
Yeah.
Hey, usang po. Purkop, may shalawa. 3 weeks, 4 weeks ni. Katu kay ma shampoo well ni sunscreen well. Uy, ka sunscreen hindi non dada hindi how to ro. Aron achunga pom lo. Hey shampoo well ni may. Pakatu da sun de yang. Heta henda thane mi. Here.
Thank you. Oh, yeah.
I think he buy perfume for his girlfriend.
Oh, nice.
I don't know. He wanted to take out.
I think I found one.
Uy, perfume pang vi. Oh, zak noi. Oh, he. Ay, cute vel. Eh, lomi kan order ka. Avanti. Eh, yung takatro.
35 ml.
Uy, kabek he. Cute one. Let's go. The bag.
Oh, the bag?
Yeah. Let's go. Hey, shampoo. Mantaw. Expensive shampoo. Order pa ni. No, hey, favorite niya. Taw velo to. Okay, that's it, Usang. Hey, Nana, Ian, what are you cooking for me?
Stuffed chicken.
Stuffed chicken. Ka favorite niya. Meron kinga. What's inside, Mom?
Cream cheese, cilantro, and chili habanero, I think.
Wow, what's that juice?
That juice is the cheese and the seasonings I put on it.
Wow, that looks yummy.
Can I put them on top of each other?
Yeah,
Because you'll probably want to
Will
cut
they
them in
fit
half
it?
because they're huge.
maybe they'll fit, right?
They should.
Yeah, I think they will. Thank you, Mom,
Yeah.
for
No, not yet.
cooking.
It And then do you want the juice in it?
Yeah. So that it doesn't dry up, right? Hey, omelette kasi am sakto na. Ay, omelette tuli. Scrambled eggs nga. Ni no fine hey ta.
We bought the salad.
A pasta bel.
Gonna go back
Anda chaturan pay po ya.
from Costco.
Chuan kay hey kanuto ne kan ay tour. Kasi ame kakabay ta pun chu mo jet chuan ta hanin hash brown bel kadalo po ka. Pani. Okay, do na hian na nai.
Twin.
Yo.
Got two.
Na nai huan chang. Which product?
And then
This from Nana's garden.
yeah.
Well, I never seen yellow
Those
tomato.
have no acid in them.
That's a lot. Meron king to this is aroma.
Yeah, those are all Romas.
Hey, me aroma tomato ang hil.
These are pear Romas. These are a different one. They're
I
shaped
know,
like
it's
a pear.
cute.
They're pear Romas.
Pudina ay huan mi harang ki. Oh wow, they're still good.
Oh, I got tons of it.
I know you have. My friend last time when I posted the video, they were like, I never seen that tall of mint.
And then cilantro.
Just like a
Oh, thank you. I should have added here right away. Thank you, Mom.
They may have been eating.
How's it?
Oh, it's awesome.
Show us what Nana bring for us, the coffee. Sarah,
Starbucks.
small ka. Hey, kan evil maker. We love too. Oh, look at you. That's cute one. That's a cute one. But it's like a backpack, but it's...
Yeah.
Wow, that's cool.
It's a backpack where I can carry her.
Yeah, you zip up the back and then you wear.
She's gonna take it.
Hey, nanay, minlaw ka na niya. Oh, body cream. Wow, that's what I need. So that
Lavender,
my husband can massage me.
Oh.
I don't know what it smells
Smell
like.
it. Let's open.
Yeah.
You can't smell it.
Yeah. It's
Oh, LA.
These come straight from the factory,
Yeah.
so they don't have to test.
Oh, hair clip. I need to grow my hair back, Mom.
Yeah, I didn't know you cut it.
Yeah, I didn't tell anyone. I wanted to surprise.
Oh man.
Oh, cherry blossom. I like it. It smells good. Yeah, it smells good. I
Pencil
want.
sharpener.
Oh, I need it. Yeah, this one for my makeup.
Oh, it's also for your colored pencils. I got.
Did you bought me color pencil?
Oh man, now you do art the work, huh?
Oh,
Couple really pretty
wow. Look at
colored
that.
pens, coloring books.
Let's find out.
That's cool.
Thank you, Mom.
Do you know they
Oh.
people are
Oh,
making coloring books now and selling them on Amazon?
Yeah, they are.
You could and you
I
Mom, you
love
could
them.
make it,
yeah, you
Mom.
make good money.
Yep, I sit and color in mine. I have.
Hey, kanun mi ron kinaga color turte. Thank you so much. I like this one. Oh, washable marker.
Yep.
That's
That way
cool.
if you get it on a
And then
table
this
or
a pencil, color pencil. I like it. Thank you. Oh, what else?
candle.
Oh, lavender. Baby, open
So
for me,
good.
please. People hate when I say baby. That's why I do on purpose. Baby, open! Look at Nana.
you just gotta pop it off.
Mom, you look so young in the camera. Look at that. I mean, like more because of your dress and,
I'm so
everything.
old.
I tried
No,
to
you
unscrew
know.
it too, it doesn't work.
Let me smell it.
Right? It's just got these little.
Yeah.
I thought you guys
Oh.
would probably light it in your room.
Hey, curry ko siyamsak do na. Chicken curry. Papa favorite kan siyambok do na. Right? Your favorite chicken curry.
Yeah, I like the chicken curry.
Hey, Willow, kan bazaar na. Kan shoy do na. We're gonna take her for
Can
shopping.
you leave that open or do we need to close it?
That's cool.
Her kan batswak lok do na. Lazok po hey. I sold t-shirt na honey. Ado eh, may ha.
Location is perfect.
Papa and Willow in town. Kanuten hey Willow in fiam na turun tia atlan chwarang no nante no pang na tur zo kan hey no in huangyan picture ang hian ma se wi te tan hian lei do na hen kan wi hi chiwawa ni ate treng do na ma se a cute ro lo to ka scarlet ka ngai vya nang in he wi te hamin ti hlim ta pa chan ev in birthday ni don wang khan in engmani du vel ne ya chu an lei sak don boka kan han bazar zoi ne ya chuan kan holet le ngal dona hei hi no pang ta na nia ma se hei ui te ta nan le sa ka ui to chatop so good.
On that so it doesn't scratch his floor.
Push center down until all four. If you push all the center down.
We in fiam na le rongot no te ta to wow, that's huge.
Oh, here.
No pang in fiam na tur mo.
Release it. Yeah.
Oh
And then that pad goes in.
wow, let me get inside. Oh, that's the baseboard. I thought that's the case.
It is. It's both.
Wow. Oh, we need to put a real baby.
Well, eventually there may be one. All right.
Very cute.
Will he
little.
mind it sitting on the carpet? Or you want to just lift it up?
No,
over here?
just leave in the corner here.
You sure?
Yeah.
Let's put the blanket down. Because I don't want the look.
Yeah.
That's why I brought a big blanket. Because I didn't want to.
Yeah, there. Oh, we lost it. Oh, and spoil velo to. Hey, kaluna china. Hey, kalaya kangai to pa ha.
You see the lady at Costco has one?
Hey, he kalaya. Let me show them. In a thona lum thai to ka ngonga ti hian kan ve tanga ti hian mo kan ve kan oranga patni om le nga patni kalaya. Is it like aircon type
It's a
or
fan.
fan?
Some of them will spray water too, but it shoots the fan out.
Oh, datang hian vodka and so on it's so fan ang kan. Let's open. I got through because I'll use them all the time, and then maybe if it's got ruined, then I have backup. And if we travel in hot weather, we can put both of us. Patni oma choma.
Good. How are you? No, we're in Indiana.
Kanu so white.
No, that's fine.
Oh, can you try it on? Hey,
Yep, we got
a
pictures.
fente on chuan.
They don't have batteries.
Oh, yeah, if we were there.
You need
we
to
would
charge
be back
or how?
tomorrow morning.
You need to charge.
Does that
Yeah,
charge?
there's a charger here on the side.
Back
You see?
tomorrow, and John
Like-
has a wedding today,
No, here.
so
On my
we
side.
decided, we had
On my
the
side.
Packages come, and they accidentally shipped them to my house. So we had
No,
to
you
bring
have to
them.
put on your neck.
I can feel it.
Wow. Put on the
We'll
neck.
get a call when we get in.
How is it?
It feels good.
All right, thanks.
Let me feel it.
I'm working all weekend.
Wow, this feels
So I'll let you know. He's outside with the puppy right now.
Oh yeah, that's what I did while I was cooking.
Bye.
Mom, feel it.
Oh, I know. We have people who wear them at work all the time. Yeah, isn't that crazy?
Pwesa man na to hiyan shit. Tapos na ko ba jang kam ko mo. Mi na pwesa kam man sa
Where
to
are you,
na
honey?
hit sa to
Fly back to Walmart and get gas and his little mates.
Hey,
I'll
kan
call
law
him,
piti lang
and
kam
it'll take him a while to
papa
answer,
hilaw
and he'll
hil
sound
sir.
What you been doing? Oh, I'm...
Do you want me to pull them up?
Yeah, she'll go right under her.
No, it's fine.
Yeah, if you want them pulled up, she'll go right under and sleep with you. She goes right under the covers.
Yeah, and if you want, you can put them
She's not ready. She's too excited.
So we'll hide in a bed. She sleeps a lot.
Mutoy luto.
Positive stuff.
Ay, mo na sa luto kayo ang kumaya.
Look, John.
She's liking our bed.
because it makes sure.
It's vinegary.
Yeah, because they got in the.
Kano in hey zong cha mo try. You like it?
Yeah, it's not bad. It's vinegary.
Yeah.
You have the pickled version.
Yep.
How is your chicken and egg?
Yummy. Mm.
Just dump it on.
Yeah, they're pickly.
Zong cha mo.
They're different.
Hey kapain varakfian ang mga that spoon is called varakfian. Varak means like duck, you know. Duck
Suck
spoon.
it
You use
in.
it like normal.
You suck it in.
Yeah, like normal.
Is it hard to use? chicken curry kha kan ei zo lawa papa hi hon do ka te hi ba ni lai hon dor nei ni hi.
You want this one open?
Nei la tam zing la ma ke theng ka sil to ha sil ve to lo ka te rong te ka bol vek to sil ve lo te hi anu te om lai la theng sil thiam lo to a theng sil tum dai ta sa bon da ge la sil thiam ne professional dishwasher in ti ve la mo sil to ri nga lo ve sia
Half of my childhood. Washing dishes professionally. Pizza Hut, Tuscola, Illinois.
look Nana bring for us pretzel kanu sia man ya hi tu top an ei tu pretzel crunchy one. Hey, Domino's kan khel do na kan chung in do ga na hian nuam ve me me a ka phone again spoi kan nei to yeah I want pink. He got train to
Orange.
ti hian mani train thau kha kan nei do na 12 te khata hang en lo hang kan la do ni chu 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12
Alright, so I had it.
Oh, and then put your
khi mi
train.
rong ang zel kha kan nei mo ti kha en don ta nei chung ta kan pa da kan draw thei lo
You
chu
draw one that
he
plays,
ta ka
and
pa
you
da
can
no
play. You don't have to put your train.
an nei lo chuan train if you have you put your train right or if you don't have it what
Right, neither one of us have a 12.
Yeah, if you don't have a 12, then you have to draw.
My 12 was that one.
okay
And then
he can draw tur house thì khang kan nei ang kha kan da do na chuan in
No,
ai lo kha kan
because I
nel
can
zong
play
le don ta
on
kan
my
nei chuan ka da nga
but you can
kan
play
nei
on
lo
that if
chuan
you
in
have
ka
one.
draw a lo chuan in
If you
ka
don't
train
have
kan
to
da
draw,
kan
so
train
you
kan
can
da
play
chuan
on
mi
the
khang
draw.
kan hunga han ron da bel zel
Someone may open up and play on your hair.
thì khan play tur kan nei lo he mi number mil kan nei lo chuan in kan train kan da nga ke play tur kan nei le chu kan train ha kan remove don ni chu he ka chu kan option anyone can put it here
I draw and I
You
don't
just draw and you
Yeah.
put play. You can draw.
chuan
and
atopa nei
play.
tam ber
Someone
khan
may
in
play
kan
on you,
share don
because they can play on us. Papa started.
tu na in tinang kapa khan he mi ama break athil ho hi zo vek ta se kai manin kan lo la nei chau tala kan chiar tam kha game over zanga kan ti chuan kan chiar ro ni choi paruk te han 12 yang amo
Now, if you have
kan ei claim ber to
Play on
I only have
play
5
something else.
oh mom has 4 sorry lang
I don't know how she didn't even have a train and she's got 4 dominoes.
playing on that, I had double.
Yes,
Yeah.
it's out.
9,
thui
9.
to hi kan train up vek chuan in du
5,
khan
or
ron da
we
the ya
have the
Oh,
11.
the 7 didn't help you?
kai ma train chia alak the dang chuan and train up vek ka du tu na ka ba da the
All right,
Where?
she's got
Press and
3.
hold this button right here.
oh bakhat chau ka nei to
Stole mine, so I can't go out.
There you go.
So there's,
bakhat chau ka nei to ba hi ka met te train hon
Right.
no.
ka sau do ka sau do ka sau do I have 2 options. Oh, where will I put?
I can go with the 3. Oh, she's not up anymore.
My
Oh,
train is
look
not
at
on.
there. I can start myself.
No?
Yeah.
I
No,
started
you
you.
started me.
Oh, mom. Oh, last night cái ta hang ka da the
She's
ya.
not up.
Ta pa ka da the ya.
I gotta hold
Pa
it.
ni ve ve.
You can't play?
No, she's
it's
not
good.
up.
Ai he blink ka nei ta blink ha mil.
I did too. It's
Oh, I can play though.
Good.
It's still
Ooh,
not.
I'm done.
Alright, so we
You got 9 points.
Run, share vek non.
20,
20.
9, 39,
Kanu siap tu he.
40,
20 thei ta po.
51.
35.
You are 51?
I got 9.
That's all 51. Papa is 9, Nana is
Hang on. Wait, Tori.
31.
35. How much, Pops? 9?
9.
Wait.
Cheater, cheater, cheater. Ew, don't look at mine.
Yeah.
Kapahit si na rin.
He has the gray one, Tori. I know.
Dream ko to.
Just take them after that dog. Oh, there are babies with them.
There ain't no babies.
They're big now, I think.
Oh, his mother.
Boy, na tamlo to a calculator na suit top.
Tori, what happened to you?
Game steak a hankel zo. Chuan kai la man lo niya ice cream kan ei do na he. Po na kan chua. Lo me. Do you cop me? How's it?
So look at
Cheers. Papa po hay tayo. Ay na sa cop me. Too heavy. Papa, how is it? The ice cream.
good.
Can we take one more? Tita?
Oh, good girl.
Mom, how is the ice cream?
Good.
You like it? Once you bite the coin, the corn, it's
not
really
so
good.
sweet.
Yeah.
I kind of like it. It's not really ungodly sweet.
Good girl.
Thing I will do is make sure there's no hawks or anything.
Come on,
She knows
fuck.
exactly what it is. Look at that. Okay, you keep it. Shame on him. That's mama.
Hey, can we pakat? Can we pakat? Hat above ral to at subangin.
Yeah, she's
Ayan
bad.
lali ah. Kan nga ito pa. Kala ka. Zan, tui takamun no zing ko alo var he kanu le ka papo zing dar ko le ti Sunday zing dar ko le tia an ho phei le dona kan tha dona video te khan lo enjoy kan ring invite min lo en sak le wangin kan lo ma invite kai mu le ma lo zo lo da min lo sel la lo en kol thang cheu bye bye ve ku le hello
You can
hello
sit-
hello
give me that.
Look, Mom, how excited she is.
Yeah, she loves to talk.
Hello.
Oops, sorry.
Bye
You can
bye.
just sit
See
down
you
on the
next
sofa.
time.
You think
Bye
she's
bye.
wrestling with you? You think she's wrestling with you?
Oh my God.
All right, I love you, honey. Yes.
Bye bye, Papa.
Love you.
I will.
Keep my ring on.
Okay.
Love you. Love you.
All right, we'll call you if I get lost.
We're gonna miss you. Thank you for coming.
Sunday we'll watch the Raiders.
We'll come soon, probably.
Yeah.
Yeah. Bye. Yeah. Thank you for all the food, Papa. Bye bye. Take care. Okay.
I love you.
Love you, Mom.
You guys,
Bye.
I'm gonna get my phone going.
Are you lonely? Are you crying? No. Are you crying? Are you? Say bye to our viewers.
Bye, guys.
Thank you for watching.
Thank you for
We
staying
love
with us all the
you.
years.
Yeah, thank you for staying with us all these years. Hey, min kan lo me min lo en le oh invite bye bye he na le papa po an ho to do na he he ta he. Papa is I can only see his beard.
Yeah. Go back one more.
Kapain so a phei ko ka thei ngila ron let le don la zo keng nu nu pa pe don ni. You don't want your shoe anymore, Papa? Oh, bye bye.